Three things really annoy me in my household. Number one, I hate paying those dreadful bills that come like clockwork each month. Number two, more and more of the devices, electronics, vehicles, and appliances in my home are powered by batteries, and I just hate constantly having to replace these batteries. But the most annoying thing of all is how much money I have to waste each month to actually buy these new batteries, which is number three. That's why I was so thrilled to find out the simple and easy way to revive old used batteries so I can reuse them instead of going out and buying new expensive batteries. It definitely beats going out to the store every time a battery dies. And even better is the thousands of dollars it can save me and my family through the years on battery costs. Reviving old used batteries is now simple to do. And this new method can even eliminate the need to buy a new car battery. It's amazing. You have to check this out. If you want to learn how to revive old used batteries, click the link below now. Stop wasting money buying new, overpriced batteries. Instead, click the link below now and learn how to recondition and reuse your old batteries.